Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to rickroll someone in 2024. So what you want to do first is have WinRAR installed, and then you can see these two files here. Now what we're going to do is WinRAR, add to archive. Now we want to create an SFX archive, and we're going to call it open up exe, and okay, that's a typo. Now we're going to go to advanced SFX options, run after extraction, click mp4 roll.bat, unpacked temporary folder, hide all, and we won't even add an icon, but you can add an icon. Override files. Boom. Now it'll create an exe file right here on the desktop. And yeah, I don't care. We're gonna allow on device because I just created that. There we go. What do you mean? Alright, so we're gonna do this over again. I think we have to add these both into an archive. Pinmade.exe, and we'll just go through this again. Unpacked temporary folder, hide all. And you know you're doing it right when it flags the antivirus. See? And that's how you rickroll someone. Alright, thanks for watching this short little video of me showing you how to troll people. Have a wonderful day.